how to download uTorrent on mobile. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the uTorrent app on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap the search icon at the bottom. Then tap the search bar. Type in uTorrent and search for it. Select the first search result for uTorrent. Tap on the install button. The uTorrent app will start downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is completed, you can now use the uTorrent app on your mobile device. Simply tap open, grant all the necessary permissions. Then, uTorrent app will open up without requiring you to log in or sign up for an account. Now, you are all set to start downloading torrents on your mobile device using uTorrent. And boom! You have successfully learned how to download and install the uTorrent app on a mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.